Today's video explores AnyDesk versus Chrome Remote Desktop. Choosing the right remote desktop solution can completely change how you access your devices without the frustration of connectivity issues. Let's compare both options. AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop are popular tools for remote access. The core difference lies in their functionality and user experience. AnyDesk offers a more feature-rich environment, while Chrome Remote Desktop focuses on simplicity and ease of use. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows users to connect to their devices from anywhere in the world. It operates on a unique Desk-RT codec, which ensures low latency and high-quality video transmission. AnyDesk supports file transfer, remote printing, and session recording, making it ideal for professionals who need comprehensive features for remote collaboration. Its strengths include fast performance and a user-friendly interface. However, it may require a subscription for advanced features, which could be a limitation for casual users. The ideal user for AnyDesk is someone who needs robust functionality for work or frequent remote access. Chrome Remote Desktop is a free service that allows users to remotely access their computers through the Chrome browser or a Chromebook. It's straightforward to set up and use, requiring only a Google account. Chrome Remote Desktop excels in its simplicity and seamless integration with Google services. However, it lacks advanced features like file transfer and remote printing, which may limit its usability for some users. Its strengths lie in being cost-effective and easy to use, making it suitable for casual users or those who need basic remote access. The ideal user for Chrome Remote Desktop is someone looking for a quick and easy solution without the need for extensive features. When comparing AnyDesk and Chrome Remote Desktop, consider your specific needs. If you require advanced features like file transfer and remote printing, AnyDesk is the better choice. Its performance and functionality are tailored for professional environments. On the other hand, if you need a simple no-cost solution for occasional access, Chrome Remote Desktop is more appropriate. For example, a business professional might benefit from AnyDesk's robust features during remote meetings, while a student might find Chrome Remote Desktop sufficient for accessing their home computer for assignments. The trade-off lies in the balance between feature richness and simplicity. For users who need a powerful remote access tool with advanced features, AnyDesk gives the recommended choice. If you prefer a straightforward, cost-effective solution for occasional remote access, Chrome Remote Desktop is the way to go. Both tools have their merits, so choose based on your specific needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.